In a heartfelt moment during a recent live stream, SB19 member Stell opened up about his feelings of being overwhelmed. For the first time, the talented artist expressed how his busy schedule, balancing commitments with the group and his solo projects, has taken a toll on his well-being.
Medyo actually sanay ako na nagmo-multitask, pero grabe to. Since kakauwi lang namin ng tour, 'di ba? Kakauwi lang namin from Japan. So galing kami US and then nag-promos, ang daming nangyari, 'di ba? So parang first time ko ma-feel na parang medyo na-drain ako ng slight. Bigla akong nag-share, no? I mean, paano ba? Na-excite ako sa solo na to. Syempre naman, sino bang hindi? I mean, na-excite ako. Pero, grabe, first time ko ma-feel na parang grabe. Parang, first time ko hindi naman draining. I mean, ang dami lang talaga nangyayari sa paligid. I mean, may nangyayari sa group, tapos may solos. Ang dami talaga. Tapos, alam niyo naman, di ba, na parang may mga, may mga nangyayari pa on the side, mga business, ganito, ganyan. Mga, alam mo yon. So, paano ba? Medyo na